Hallo, willkommen zurück hier bei KidsGerman. Ich freue mich, dass du da bist. Hi, welcome back to KidsGerman. I'm so happy that you're here. In today's video, we'll be talking about 30 false friends. In dem heutigen Video sprechen wir über sogenannte falsche Freunde. Falsche Freunde sind Wörter, die im Deutschen und Englischen gleich klingen, vielleicht sogar ähnlich geschrieben werden, aber eigentlich eine ganz andere Bedeutung haben. What are false friends? German and English words that sound the same or very similar. And words that are spelled the same or very similar. However, their meaning is completely different. Na, was meinen wir da? What do we mean by that? Zum Beispiel, im Deutschen das Wort Nein heißt auf Englisch No. Aber es gibt auch das englische Wort Nein und das ist natürlich die Zahl Nummer 9. So as you can see, the word Nein in German means actually no. However, the English equivalent in terms of pronunciation is actually a number 9. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you 30 words that are either spelled the same or in a very similar way, or even sound the same. But most importantly, they do have all a different meaning. Are you ready? Bist du bereit? Los geht's. Als erstes, Kind. Kind. In German, Kind is a child. But in English, it's pronounced kind and means like you're a nice, helpful person. Kind, kind. Nummer 2, Boot. Boot, which is actually very similar to the English word boat. But a boot obviously is something completely different. Nummer 3, Wand and Wand. Wand is a wall. Wand. And of course, wand, a magic stick used by Harry Potter. Wand, wand. Nummer 4, Hut. Hut. Hut is a hat in German. Hut. So, careful, it's pronounced Hut, not Hat. Hut. And Nummer 5, Not. Not. Not is emergency. Careful, it's pronounced Not. You have to stretch the O a little here. And we don't say not. Not. Nummer 6, Karte. Karte. Karte is a map as opposed to card, a trolley you use for shopping. Nummer 7, winken. Hallo. Winken, to wave, waving your hand, as opposed to winking, winken, winken. Nummer 8, See, der See. See is a lake in English, okay? As opposed to the word see, I can see you, all right? See versus see. The next one, Hose. Hose. Hose simply means pants. Hose. And a hose is used, for example, by firefighters to extinguish the fire. And number 10, that's a very common one. Chef and chef. So in German, chef is a boss, a manager. Ja, mein Chef, my boss. In English, well, it's a cook, somebody who prepares our meals in a restaurant. Nummer 11, gift and gift. So here the pronunciation is the same. However, in German, gift is poison. Very careful, please. Gift, and in English, obviously, a present, something we'll get, for example, for Christmas or our birthday. Nummer 12, Rock and Rock. Rock in German is a skirt, der Rock. And Of course, in English, it's a large stone. Nummer 13, number 13, Handy. Handy. Now, that's what we call a mobile phone or cell phone. A Handy. Das Handy. In English, handy is something convenient. Nummer 14, number 14, bald and bald. Bald. Bald simply means soon in German. Ich komme bald, I'm coming soon. Wir kommen bald, we are coming soon. And of course, in English it's bald, meaning you don't have hair. Nummer 15. Fast. Fast. Fast in German means almost. Fast. Das Handy ist fast voll. Die Batterie ist fast voll. Ich bin fast da. I'm almost there. Ich bin fast da. Nummer 16. Gymnasium. Gymnasium and gym. Now, as you can see, pronunciation is totally different, but the spelling is the same. Gym, Gymnasium. In German, Gymnasium is a high school, or better, a type of high school, since we have several. In English, obviously, it's a place where you go to stay fit and healthy. 17, number 17, Fabrik versus Fabric. Fabrik, die Fabrik in German is a factory. Fabrik, as opposed to the material we use, for example, for clothes. Nummer 18, bekommen and become. Now that's a very common one. Bekommen in German means to receive or to get something. Ich bekomme ein Geschenk. Ich bekomme ein Paket. Ich habe ein Paket bekommen. I got a parcel. And in English it's becoming. To become. Nummer 19. Brand. Brand is a fire. Ein Waldbrand. Forest fire. In English, brand, as you can see, similar spelling, different pronunciation, and brand, for example, Nike, Adidas, Puma, Microsoft, Apple. These are all brands. Nummer 20, number 20. Art and art. Art is type or kind. Die Hundeart. Welche Hundeart hast du? What type of dog do you have? Ich habe einen Husky. I have a husky. Well, actually I have two. And in English, of course, you do know what art is. Nummer 21, number 21. Corn and corn. Very similar in pronunciation and spelling here. Corn is simply grain. Ein Korn, Vollkornbrot, for example. And corn, in German, we call it Mais. Nummer 22, number 22. Here, careful, the spelling is different, but the pronunciation is very similar. Eagle and eagle. Eagle. Der Igel, for us, it's a hedgehog. In English, of course, it's a majestic bird. And Nummer 23, number 23. Rad and red. Different pronunciation, same spelling. Der Rat is an advice. Ich habe einen Rat bekommen von meinem Doktor. Red, the rodent, of course. Rat and red. Nummer 24. Nein. You know this one already from our example earlier. Nein in German means no. In English, the word nein, same pronunciation, is of course the number. Nein. Nummer 25. Zirkel. Zirkel is something we use, for example, in math class. Zirkel. Der Zirkel. And circle in English. Zirkel and circle. Nummer 26. This is where it gets confusing as well. You have in German, Limone, which is lime. In English, very similar pronunciation. Lemon is a different word in German again. It's called Zitrone. Limone, lime, and in English you have lemon. Nummer 27. Die Note. Note. very similar English word is note. Note in German is great. Great. Die Note. Nummer 28. Fotograf. Der Fotograf. So, very similar here. Same topic. In German, Fotograf is actually the person taking pictures, a photographer. In English, it's the picture. Nummer 29, number 29, Kissen. Kissen and kiss, to kiss. Kissen is a pillow. In English, kiss. Und Nummer 30. That's a super common one. So please pay attention now, because that's very important. In English, you say student, but in German, a Student, careful, we don't say student or student, we say Student, is also a student, but very careful now, only a university student. So somebody who is attending school, Gymnasium, high school is called simply a Schüler or Schülerin, ein Mädchen. Yeah? So again, the German word Student is only describing a person attending university. Ja? Der Student, die Studentin. Gut, das hast du gut gemacht. Wir sehen uns beim nächsten Mal wieder. Dankeschön fürs Zuschauen. Mach's gut. Bis dann. Tschüss. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bitte nicht vergessen, einmal KidsGerman abonnieren. Bis dann. Tschüss.